graphic.
All right, guys.
Better with your support.
This is an EAS alert system, so it should come on in 1 minute.
4788. And thanks.
All right, it's gonna probably.
Funding for Here and Now comes from the listeners of WBUR Boston and BetterHelp, committed to supporting mental health through therapy. Clients are matched with one of 25,000 therapists and can communicate via video, chat, or phone.
Oh, there it is. Yeah.
This is a nationwide test of the Emergency Alert System, issued by the Federal Emergency Management Agency, covering the United States from 2:20 to 2:40 p.m. Eastern Time. This is only a test. No action is required by the public.
One of them, and
I remember
author who
that.
was recognized for her role in, quote, giving fresh context to history
Did you know
and
that-
the
oh, I
cultural
guess-
expressions forged
Did you know
by
that-
Black Americans in the face of injustice.
If you
unquote.
pitch that high, it goes.
Imani Perry is a professor and scholar
and it becomes
of
a
race,
Czech Republic
gender, sexuality,
ASMR.
and African and African American studies at Harvard. And she joins us now. Imani, welcome back to the show and congratulations.
Thank you so much.
What a moment to be talking to you, Imani, a moment when our national
Today's
politics
Zara's birthday.
is in chaos, in disarray.
It's Zara's birthday.
So I kind of
You know,
see
one
this as
student in
our
my
chance to
ELT
have
note
Professor
asked me if I was the guy in the
now
suit,
MacArthur Fellow,
and yes, I was.
drop some wisdom and
All right.
guidance for us all. Is that okay with you, Imani?
Absolutely.
Okay, great. Let's go. So let's start with what's happening right now, the debacle in the House of Representatives. In your work over the decades, you've talked about the limits of electoral politics, also about the need for radical transformation. Is that something you're thinking about as you watch what's happening in Congress right now?
Right. I mean, I would say I think that, we talk about electoral politics are sort of necessary but insufficient. And so I think that what it suggests is that the debacle that we're in now suggests, okay, yes, we engage in electoral politics at the national level, but at the local level, they are extremely important. And of course, organizing at the community level is essential. Like Frederick Douglass said, power concedes nothing without a demand, which means that not just that we say we have certain positions, but we have to actually organize. And sometimes that organization, as we're seeing now with, some of the horrific things that are happening at law, means breaking the law, right? In terms of book bans, people keep asking me, what should you do? We read the books anyway. We read defiantly, right? We find ways to give people access to their reproductive rights defiantly. All those sorts of things are essential.
We're also in a time, Imani, where white nationalism is surging. In your book, South American lives across the color line, telling stories of Black Americans,
Zoe
as
meowing.
well as Paul.
Zoe!
You see as the potential for cross-racial communities where white nationalism might be thriving. Well, how does it fight back against protecting
It's okay, because I'm recording it.
Yeah.
currently seen?
It's gonna probably come back on.
Even though I didn't get to record a siren, at least I get to record it like a
Where
TV.
is this
As
remote?
the inheritor of, generations of violence from sort of white nationalist ideology, I do think that we have historic examples of moments when white people can actually move away from sort of blaming the other and actually attend to their own fear and vulnerability by understanding that there's common ground with others who are experiencing fear and vulnerability. But that's going to happen. When that does happen, and as we hope that it can continue to happen, it happens at the local level
We don't
where
want
people
on
understand
demand.
that they may have linked fate,
We just went
as
TV.
opposed to thinking they ought to compete
Is that-
with each
is
other
that
for
enough?
limited resources.
Footage?
And-
Is this
and the
enough
burden for
footage?
that should
Pause it, and when
not
it comes back on,
be
start re-recording.
on Black
No.
Americans.
I actually feel like that's good
Was
enough.
that good?
Well, there's a responsibility.
I put it on mute.
Okay.
Alright guys, that was it. Hope you all
It's supposed
enjoyed.
to feel longer though.
I didn't get to get all of it, and I didn't get to record a siren. I just did like a fake siren. But this will be good, right?